Okay, today we'll be solving two equations with two unknowns involving fractions in algebra. Okay, so there are several ways to solve this problem, but the best suggestion here is to simplify terms by eliminating fractions and converting everything into a whole number. Again, it depends on the value, but for this problem, these are small numbers. What I will do here is take out the fraction, and the technique here is you multiply both sides of the equation by a common number. Since you see 3 and 2 here, okay, I will multiply it by 6, kind of like their LCD. So this equation will now be transformed into 2x plus 3y equals negative 6. Okay. If you multiply both sides of the equation by a common number, you don't change the value, and I will call this equation 1. Okay, put it as 1. Similarly, the second one, 2x plus y over 4 equals 2. I will multiply both sides of the equation by 4 to eliminate the fraction 1/4. So this will become 8x plus y equals 8. And I will call this equation 2. Okay, since you have two equations and two unknowns, the best way to solve this one is to express x in terms of y or y in terms of x and substitute in equation 1. Okay, so I'm looking now on equation 2, and I will transpose 8x on the other side of the equation, so that will become 8 minus 8x. Okay, that is still equation 2. So as you can see, y is now expressed in terms of x. So I will substitute equation 2 in equation 1. Okay, that will be the next step. So equation 1, if you want, you can write it here to make it easier to comprehend. So you have 2x plus 3. Your y is 8 minus 8x equals negative 6. So we simplify terms. This will become 2x plus 24 minus 24x equals negative 6. So this will become negative 22x. That's positive 2x minus 24x is negative 22. And this will become negative 6 minus 24. So you have x, we simplify that, that will be 30 over 22. Okay. And negative sign is gone because negative over negative is positive, and we can still simplify this, dividing the denominator and the numerator by a common number. Simplify, divide by 2. This will become 15 over 11. Okay, so that is the value of x. Then we substitute the value of x in equation 2. Okay, so equation 2, we have y equals 8 minus 8x. Substitute, that will be 8 minus 8, 15 over 11. That is the value of x as we solved this one. Okay, 15 over 11. Okay, so simplifying terms, this will become 8 minus 120 over 11. Okay, this will be common denominator is 11. This will be 88 minus 120. And this will become minus 32 over 11. Okay, that is the value of y. Now we need to check. So for checking, Now be careful in checking, since we use equation 2, okay, to solve for x, we will use equation 1 for checking. So the derived equation in 1 is 2x plus 3y equals minus 6. 2x plus 3y equals negative 6. Or you can use the fractional, it doesn't matter. Okay, but this is the same thing. So the question now is the left side of the equation equal to the right side, which is negative 6? So all we need to do here is substitute. That will be 2. X is 15 over 11 plus 3. The value of y is minus 32 over 11. Is it equal to negative 6? Okay. So simplifying terms, that will be 30 over 11 minus 96 over 11. Is it equal to negative 6? So that will be 30 minus 96 is negative 66 over 11 equals negative 6. So this is negative 6 equals negative 6. So this is okay. So the value of x and y are 15 over 11 and y is minus 32 over 11. Okay. Now these numbers are already simplified because it is no longer divisible by any number, and this will be your final answer. Okay. And I hope this helps. I'll see you next time.